What is corn yield in agriculture? Imagine walking through a vast field of tall green stalks, each one holding the promise of a harvest. That's what corn yield is all about. How much corn you get from a certain piece of land. It's a key measure farmers and investors use to see how productive a crop is. Usually, it's measured in bushels per acre or tons per hectare. A bushel is about 42 pounds of corn, and a hectare is roughly 2.5 acres. Corn yield depends on several parts. First, how many plants grow per acre. Good seed quality, proper planting, and weather all influence this. Then, each plant usually produces one main ear, which is the part filled with kernels. The number of rows on each ear can vary, but most have around 16 to 24 rows. The kernels per row also differ, but a typical ear might have around 30 to 40 kernels per row. The weight of each kernel matters too. Heavier kernels mean more grain overall. Farmers estimate yield during the growing season using the yield component method. They count the number of plants, ears, and kernels and measure kernel weight. This helps them predict how much they will harvest. Weather plays a big role. Drought, pests, or too much rain can all lower yield. Soil quality and hybrid seed choices also matter. Some hybrids are bred to produce more kernels or withstand tough conditions. Test weight is another important factor. It measures how dense the grain is, usually in pounds per bushel. For yellow dent corn, the market standard is 56 pounds per bushel. Higher test weight means better quality and more weight per unit. For investors, corn yield is vital because it impacts how much supply is available. Higher yields can lower prices, while lower yields can push prices up. Yield per acre helps farmers see how efficient their practices are. Cost of production per bushel shows how profitable their harvest can be. Water efficiency is also important, especially as water becomes scarcer. All these factors help determine the overall health of the crop and the market. Understanding corn yield gives a clear picture of how well the crop is doing and what to expect in the market. It's a vital piece of information for farmers, traders, and investors alike.